here, we just arrived sa Airbnb namin. Ito siya. Iwan na kami ng gamit. Sabi nung sa Airbnb is sa first floor daw pwede mag-iwan ng gamit. Electric something. Pretty. Eating breakfast sa McDonald's Zermatt. Pero natatain na kami. Paano kami natatain? Later mag-uunahan na kami sa Airbnb. So here's our order. I got me some Aperol Spritz. And my husband got cafe macchiato. And then we also got some cake. That's all. And the view is immaculate. So nice. Look. Okay, let's start. So pagpasok, merong kitchen. Hindi naman namin gagamitin. We're not gonna cook here. But yeah, meron silang dining area and the bed. May TV din, and then they have a mirror here. They also have a microwave. Microwave ba to? Oven. And then the CR is over there. So we're gonna go and get some food. Dish. Ito. Ooh. Alis na tayo tatawid. Had kami ng dinner. Aha. Ito lang kami sa mga iniingat.
Yan na. Inom tayo.
Inom mo to. Hi! Just an update. Ito yung dinner namin. Just got some pasta na iniinit. And some bread. Hi guys, good morning. I can't sleep anymore, so nandito ako sa balcony. It's -2. And I'm just here chilling, looking at this view. So pretty. Let's go. I'm just wearing walang kasamang slippers. Walang kasamang slippers yung Airbnb. So I'm just here outside. Nakatapak. And it's so cold. But I wanna enjoy the view, so okay lang naman. Ayos ko na din yung bag ko. And then yung sa husband ko is nakaayos na din. Naliligo na lang siya and then alis na kami. Ay nako, putik. May nanonood pa ng what? Eh? Wow! Eh, ang init. Wow, it's so ganda. Huh? Ano 55? 8 minutes lang siya na walk. Yan o. It's a Sunday kaya wala masyadong tao. Guys, we found it. It's underground. So we ordered udon. Nandito na kami sa restaurant and I ordered some sitang salad. We got udon. It's duck udon. Okay, kain na kami. Hi! Guten Morgen. You're so cold. Hello! You're finally here.